Hey, I'm Will Coleman. Welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today I'm making turkey meatballs with a tahini sauce. Other than meatballs being one of my favorite childhood meals, I love this recipe because it's packed with herbs, has all the sauciness to get sopped up by fries or pita, and it's piled high on a bed of lettuce. You can't go wrong, it looks beautiful, and it tastes even better. If this recipe sounds like something that you would like to try, be sure to subscribe to our channel to see future recipe videos. All right, let's get this party started. For today's recipe, all we need is one pan to sear up our meatballs. For our meatballs today, we need ground turkey, chopped mint, cilantro, and a little bit of salt, and don't forget the red onions. We're also gonna mix our tahini sauce with yogurt to create a creamy sauce to go under our meatballs, and then we're gonna pile them high up on a bed of lettuce. Finally, we'll garnish with toasted sesame seeds. We're gonna chop up our mint and cilantro to go inside of our ground turkey. And we're gonna mix everything together. I love the way minced onions look. All right, now that my meat mixture is all mixed up, I'm gonna make little balls out of them so that I can fry them up in my skillet. Now that I've rolled my meatballs, I'm gonna put them in a skillet with a little bit of olive oil. While I have my meatballs cooking in my pan, I'm gonna make my tahini yogurt sauce, which is incredibly easy. I have some Greek yogurt, and I'm gonna add a quarter pouch of tahini. The tahini with the yogurt makes a beautiful color and an amazing taste. Now that I've made my tahini yogurt sauce, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my meatballs because I think they're done. Okay, our turkey meatballs are all done cooking. Now it's time to plate up my favorite part of this recipe. We're going to get a large platter, and I have my yogurt tahini sauce that I'm gonna spread over. Next, we're gonna pile on our lettuce in the center of our plate. And the final step, put our meatballs on. And for our last step, I'm gonna drizzle on some additional tahini because it's that good. And for a little bit of texture, some toasted sesame seeds going right on top. And there you have it, our turkey meatballs with tahini and yogurt sauce. It looks amazing. If you've enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see future recipe videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to cook happy.